Now your mobile device is not seen on the computer. Let's see how to solve this problem. Now go to the device manager. Check the other device. Then check the portable device. This is my Mi 9T mobile drive. Now update driver. Now my mobile driver is added to my computer. Maybe the name of the separate driver for your mobile. Now you can transfer your data between mobile and computer. If the first method does not work on your computer, then you follow the second method. Second method. Go to the mobile settings. You have to turn on the developer option on mobile. Press here 5 times. Developer options have been launched on your mobile now. Now turn on USB debugging. Now connect to your mobile again with the computer. I hope this time is working.